to ensure the voice of every Kenyan is heard and to enable every one of us to exercise their civic duty, we will undertake civic education to sensitize the entire Kenyan nation on the opportunities that lie for our homeland and nation as part of this initiative. And to this end, we shall hold a consultative meeting on Tuesday, 9th March, involving members of Parliament and the county leadership. As our country representatives have shown, now is a moment for all Kenyans to put aside partisan divides and come together to build a better Kenya for ourselves, our children, and for generations of Kenyans yet to be born.